Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this value 2-pack of Crest 3D White Arctic Fresh Toothpaste. So, this is what it looks like. Nice shiny packaging. Here's the back. New drug facts. All right, let's get into it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from. And nice minimalist 2-pack, 3.3 ounces each. This is what it looks like. Recycle ready, that's nice. Made in the USA, nice. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this toothpaste in the comment section below. Again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from. Let me know if you guys prefer any other toothpaste brands or flavors. Cool. Catch you all next time. Later.